Hello, we're live. Just gonna log in my live chat here. Um, we'll get everything set up. I've had a bit of an issue starting because I've made some money today. Having a quick look at the chart there, you see that big move. We were waiting on it, and then once I tried to stream, I had to update my key. My what was it? Not my key, my streaming key. My NVIDIA drivers. So had to wait on that. The market's currently sitting at a bit of a flatness. Looking at a bit of consolidation at the bottom where it was before market open. It's just retraced that entire move. But that's fine. I'm just gonna open up my YouTube real quick. We'll see what the stream's looking like. Yeah, that'll do. Now, obviously we're gonna be waiting for some cleaner setups to come through. Let me just log in this real quick. Oh. Well, I've done something wrong here. What? Huh. I have no idea what I'm doing wrong here with this, but anyway, we're just going to keep looking at the chart here to see what we are seeing. Right, so we obviously had this big retracement. It's just kind of sat at this level. Anything touching that level, I mean, I guess there's a little bit of resistance over here as well at that level. So it's pretty normal. It's now pushing down to break here, which obviously here has also been, as we can see on the left, a previous spot of resistance. So if we can break this, we should be able to take a short down. So we're currently on a demo. We're going to switch over to our FTSE balance, and we're looking for a break here. But I'm also looking towards this imbalance here. Now, obviously, this was filled. I'm just looking to make sure it's filled and get, I don't need to be that big, but you know, make sure it's filled. See what exactly touched it, but there's been quite a lot of action in there, up and down, so it's definitely not an area of interest. There's been no gaps up here on the 5 minute, but obviously on the 1 minute we can see there was one, which there was a retracement back to. There was an imbalance here as well. We could look for a retracement on this imbalance on the 1 minute chart, and there's the retracement, and then we could take a short right here.
Order filled.
And we're trading off this imbalance right here, and we'll take it right down to this low right here. That way we'll get a nice little, let me just see, that was 1666's open. Why did I put that down? We'll take off one here, and if we get the chance, we'll let a runner go, but then we'll bring it back up afterward. We'll bring our stop loss up afterwards. Now it's having a bit of a retracement here, so hopefully we don't get stopped out. Now for a good stop position for me, I'm looking at about, that's quite a big stop, isn't it? Here, I'm looking for something about here. I need to up the positions on this for the stop. We're gonna put the buy in here. We're just looking at this drop like crazy. It was a good entry. We might just get out now for 600, to be honest. Or even what we'll do, we will get out of one now.
Order filled.
We get out of one of our contracts now. We'll let the other hit TP. If not, that's fine. We'll bring our stop loss up just over break even now. That is a bit risky as it is quite a tight trade. We're still obviously in the first 20 minutes here of market open, but we've secured in some money at least. Hopefully we have a runner down the TP here. Ideally we would like to held this, but I'm not going for huge profit trades, just nice move trades. So there we call quite a nice trade on that. Go on, give us the push we need. Give us the push we need. I don't mind taking a break even here, and we still have quite a while to the stream and trade here. But this is a good start. At the very least, we had a nice. Obviously, we seen the imbalance. We took it close to the top of the imbalance, and we've just held throughout the low here. Now, the only thing that obviously is a bit making me nervous, is the fact that this is such a heavy support area. And I'm targeting the bottom of that heavy support area. As you can see, like all the wicks and the candle finishes, they all happen around that area. So that's an area you do have to be careful of. So I say we move the TP up just a little bit. We could maybe move it up to, I don't know, because tough one, isn't it? Tough one to think. What do we do? I think we just hold it the way it is, but we're up a good amount right now. We might just want to close for 300. We'll give it another minute here to play out. Bet you that's the wrong move, just letting it play out. But that's fine. We'll have a look here and we'll see what we can get sorted for our stream, because I don't have window capture on apparently. What's happening here? Why can you not see my trade evade? That's so weird. Give me one little minute there. You can see it now, right? I really hope you guys could see this, because that was a really good trade we had. Here having to enable shortcuts will just highlight out what I was seeing and why I took the trade. It was just this market imbalance right here, and obviously there was downward motion all day yesterday. Overnight we also had downward motion, and we had the big wick up, and this seems like a breakout. It didn't break out of no real major structure, so I'm still looking for the downside. Hopefully again we're going to get wicked out here. It is going to happen. It's going to stop us out, but we'll just look to enter into a new trade. That's fine. And we'll wait on that patiently. But here it comes. There it is.
Stop filled.
That's fine. So all in all, we made 350 on that one trade. Now we'll have a look at it. We may still get another chance to enter in here. So we might, because this is, again, keep in mind, we're now entering this 5-minute value area that's been playing with for a while. So let me see. There was no low on that last push at 244. There was then, yeah, let's take a short, right? Should we take a short? I think we should take a short.
Order filled.
We're going to take a short. It's just going to be a quick gap fill. We're just going to look to fill this gap as we're doing it with quite a lot of contracts. Where is that gap looking?
Order filled.
That's us out real, quick and easy. Another 570. You'll notice when we're trading, we're going to be trading a lot of this gap, value gap imbalance, whether from ICT or otherwise. I just know it's an imbalance. We'll be trading these a lot, and I have a specific way that I do like to trade my imbalances. As you can see, it works, and I'm new to the streaming, so everything's a bit slow. But yeah, we got 2 trades. We got this trade here, was obviously a test into this imbalance. We didn't want to obviously hold the whole way down, as we didn't get in at the top. So I was just looking for a candle fill, and that's very easy, and you'll see it a lot when there's an imbalance that big. and there's a candle that big, we just want to get back into, you know, fill in that range, and maybe it's going to retrace, maybe it's going to push. That doesn't matter to us. We're just getting it and getting that quick and easy scalp. So let's see. We'll need to update our we'll update our title here on the stream. I really don't know how to get my live chat up properly, but I figured that out. And can I edit my stream name before this? Now, I haven't really went over what it is that we were doing. We just go straight into trading, as we've seen. Obviously, two really good setups that we like to see. It's actually coming up for another push into that imbalance right now, but we'll look back at that in a minute. So what the purpose of this is? Okay, it's 50 to 50,000 challenge. What that means is I spend 50 on payouts. I'm looking to get 50,000 in payouts. And the reason I'm picking that number is just because we have a 50,000 account, up, you can see it at the top of the screen. And we have 50,000, obviously 50,900 after today, almost halfway towards our profit target. And we're going to want to slow down if we want to fucking make some videos out of this. But yeah, so we're going to be streaming pretty much every day. Obviously, if I pass my account, it's going to take me a little minute to start the funded account. There'll be a bit of a gap there, but the funded account will also all be streamed live until I hit profits of 50k, and you look at to see all that. Now we're obviously going to do other stuff in between, in regards to in regards to like, I'm just trying to think of what we could do. Like, I'm gonna do obviously trade reviews. I'm gonna do a video after this, reviewing this trade and why I took this trade. I know there wasn't much time on the stream there to actually get it and catch it. But no one's watching anyway, so who was gonna catch it? I may as well take the trade to see. We're gonna just editing this video here, and we're gonna 900 and right. There's a change saved. Now we're going to keep watching the market here. It's coming up for the same sort of situation, to be honest. We might look. I'm gonna look at taking a one contract here, short.
Order filled.
A lot smaller size for what I'm used to. I'm obviously used to getting nice quick scalps with a bit bigger position size, but it could pull up a bit further here. And once it actually hits a bit higher in this gap, maybe say around here, I'll be looking to take another sell position. So I will. That's the goal anyway. And then we'll have a much tighter risk on this. We'll get two buys and we'll put it in right here, just above that candle. Now realistically, I would want to have my stop a little higher than this, but I'm just not looking to risk all that much profit. If we're trying to pass our evaluations here, we're not looking to make a lot. And then obviously if we don't get tapped in, we're going to be looking for a pull down, quite a nice pull down. We're hoping for the tap in so that we can just do a gap fill again. That would be the most ideal scenario here. Is I have that stop too close. I know I do. I know I have that stop too close. I just want a gap fill. Like if I bring that stop up to maybe 710, I'll be safe. But see where it is? I have no faith in that stop. I have no faith in that stop. That stop's not going to mean jack shit, is it? Let's trust it. We'll trust it. It is a little bit. I would like it here at 7.6. but I just can't be asked changing it. 7-6 would be ideal here. We're gonna hold it, right? If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. If not, there we
Stop
go.
filled.
7-6. Come on, run through 7-6. Make me feel good. Huh. Well, a loser. We are in the losing trade. No, that's fine. We're still up 600, you know. It makes really very little difference. Again, the gap's going to get filled at one point. We're only here to catch as much as we can of it and risk as little, as little as we can, you know. I feel like I want to Twitter post that one, will we? Add a little trade on it. Oh, that was a nice, that right there above the highs is ideally where you want that stop, but I wasn't down for that risk, so I didn't do it. I should have, because until it breaks these highs, there's no new structure. Until it breaks these lows, there's no new structure. So this is just a big range, and look at that, would be in the money. I'm not going to trade it just because it's back there. The gap's been filled twice now. You know, twice up and down with candles in it, you know. So we just have no interest in trading that, really. No, that's all the only reason why. I only really plan on trading gap until I feel comfortable at the volumes. Comfortable the volumes there. Don't want to have it not there. You know, where the volumes in other places, and I'm just not getting the best entries and the best, not necessarily the best entries. I don't go for like sniper entries or nothing like that. I'm more of a get a range, trade that range, you know, make that range work until I have a losing trade in that range. That losing trade in that range just usually isn't gonna take away from the profits overall, you know. Like, you know, we were up 900, we did a trade there, we went top of the range. If that had moved like the other ones had moved, we would have caught a much bigger trade being at the top of the range like that, but it didn't. But because it was also top of the range, we could have a much tighter stop. Now obviously our stop was hit. It would have been hit for a lot less if I didn't have that one that I started early, but that's why I only started one early. It's just from, you know, feeling out my style, my strategy. I have specific things that I do like to obviously do, and I've got used to that, you know. I'm just gonna check to see if my audio is fine because we've been 15 minutes here. Strategy. I have specific things that I do like to obviously do, and I've got used to that, you know. Okay, we're good. It's still fine. It's still fine. Sorry, you know, first stream and all that. I'm just gonna check to see if my audio is fine because we've been 15 minutes. We're having a nice little rejection here. And I'm just trying to keep an eye on the 1 minute chart to see for any, you know, sort of structure changes within. You know? Doesn't look like we're really having any structure changes within either. Okay, we're good. It's still fine. It's still fine. We'll get this Twitter post up or stream and all that. I'm just gonna check to see if my audio is fine because we've been 15 minutes. We're having a nice little rejection here. Did everyone else hear my YouTube there too? Who is everyone else? Right. Let me just tab. There we go. So you'll not hear it no more. So what are you thinking of this? You looking sharp right now. I say this right here. See if we look at this 1 minute chart on the NQ, it's looking very, you know, bearish, obviously. But those wicks, I like to trade wicks in reverse. So I like to, when there's a lot of bearish wicks, like wicks to the downside, I'm more of a bullish trader. Which is hard. It's conflicting right now because on the day I'm bearish, but I'm seeing all those wicks that make me want to go a bit bullish on this next move. But we're gonna just wait it out. We'll see exactly what's going on. Let's take a look at the ES. Is just for dropping. Yeah, no, this is a down day, isn't it? This is just a down day. We could take a short and hold. Let me see. We're gonna keep it on 2 contracts for the next trade. There's is that a wick? It is a wick. We don't need this no more, right? We get rid of that. Right, there we are on it. We get a big picture of that stream. Oh, we'll do it over here, right? This makes more sense. And we're having a bit of a push into quite a nice zone actually for a short. What am I thinking? Short top of the range again? What's short top of the range
Order
again?
filled.
We will short top of die range. We will look for bottom of die range. And we will hopefully make some money. Realistically, this isn't really, it's not really looking like there's anywhere for this to go to the upside in my eyes. There's a lot of place for it to go to the downside. Not too much upside to me. But there it goes, ripping anyway. We'll risk some more on this one. Okay, we will have a stop of the highs, of up here. That'll keep us safe at least. But if at any point this trade is just feeling a little dodgy, oh, you almost had it. Keep her going. Actually, can we like change this to 1? It didn't even hit me out. What a fucking bitch. Right, we're gonna move this to here. We're gonna buy one here, and we're gonna buy one here. I can't believe that didn't even take me out at all. It just ran away. And away it goes. I mean, I kind of want to add a contract to this, but we'll see how it's looking. If we have a loser, we have a loser. It's not a big deal. You know, if this push is going to push out and take me out, it's going to push out and take me out no matter what here, you know? But there's a lot to suggest that this just doesn't push up that far, right? I kind of want to move it a little higher so a little wick won't kill me. We're going to go to here. Buy 2, right? That's what we're going to do. We're going to put the risk on the table, right? There's that push up. Hopefully we see the rejection here. If we see the rejection here, we're loving it. We could get even another contract in. Oh, but there's the break. That's it. Right? That's the work that was planned to kill us. That's us. We're going for RT today, aren't we? There
Stop
we are.
filled.
Ooh, hefty loss. Well, let's keep looking. Bet you this is what I was afraid of, right? A big wick and then just a big reversal. But again, we're all good. We've got a while to bring this back. No, how about right? I could just hear me out because I'm thinking of stuff we can do. Right, we can do TikToks and stuff like that to increase the videos and shit like that. I was watching Patrick Whelan. He does his on stream. I could do that too, right? Let's see. Let's see. How do we create a TikTok? Never done this before. Flip. It says photo. Can I have a video, motherfucker? So yeah, we're filming our TikTok on live. As we can see, we had a bit of a good start with a bad finish overall. We're down 122. We're still streaming, we're still keeping it going. So if anyone wants to come over and subscribe to the YouTube and follow along the streams, go for it. Hopefully we can make this money back. But yeah, so far on the day we are down. Wait, we'll watch. While I'm doing this, how is the chart looking? We're just gonna post this TikTok because fuck it. Let me see. That one trade is. Well, you shouldn't put that much risk on, but I did it. Not that big of a deal. What can you do? There just really is not much you can do about that. I'm gonna keep that $900 profit screen though, as you can see on the YouTube, right? Because that's gonna get people in more, isn't it? My max drawdown is 1036. We don't really come in close to max drawdown. We were at 920 for today. That would have been a good old day. We're having a bit of resistance here, which could be indicative of a little bit of a pullback. So we might just go 5 contracts short with no volume. Yeah, smart one, isn't it? I honestly just have no idea how to fucking do things on this TikTok shit. A 5 contracts short where we said we would have got us a good little bit there, would have got us like 120, 150 there. I say we kind of might just YOLO it. Let's YOLO it
Order
short
filled.
5 contracts, right? We'll have a buy. Let's see where we're having our buy stop. We're having our buy stop right up here. Oh shit, no we're not. We're having a buy stop right above this high. This is just a bit of a YOLO, of course. Do not do this.
Order rejected.
Wait, what, why? Oh, wait. How many points do we want, right? How many points would we realistically ask for?
Order rejected.
I say we realistically get out as soon as we can. Because this is looking scary.
Order filled.
That's looking fucked up. We're down 600. That's why you don't YOLO short. But how about a YOLO long? I think we got it that short, we would have been out. Right, come on down, we'll hit YOLO. We'll hit another one. We'll finish this off for today.
Order
We're
filled.
going long. We're going long. Come on, bring us back for today. Come on, bring us back. Go. This is not trading. This is not how you should do this. This is just fucking dumb. For content, we'll say. I actually don't want that there, to be honest, but...
Order filled.
425, right? We're taking that. Bring us back to negative 262. The YOLOs. They're not good. You shouldn't be doing it. They hurt your heart. But one more. Oh, I can't tack this shit, man. I know if I go in now, I'm gonna lose it all. I know it. I just know it. I know if we go in now, I'm gonna lose it all. We're doing such stupid things today. Oh, there's no way we're hitting a long here, is there? Is there any way we're hitting a long here? Let's have a look at that 1 minute chart. Is there? I don't know. I don't want to do it. This is just not how you trade, dude. Right, we're gonna have a look again. We're gonna see what we're gonna have a look at what our targets are, right? So we're having a little bit of an issue crossing this point, obviously. Look at that point. That's a point of no cross right there. So maybe if we do pass this, a long's not bad, you know? A YOLO long's not bad right here. I knew as soon as we cross that point, we were going to have a bit of a break.
Order filled.
Go, run up. Just up to where you were at least. Come on, man. This is dumb trading at its finest, right? Let me see. Where's the target? What we actually realistically aim for with this trade? I feel like that was our target we could realistically aim for. God damn it. God damn. Right? That was our target we could realistically aim for.
Order rejected.
Oh, well, that was our target. I wasn't paying enough attention there. Well, that's how you fuck up a 50k account, isn't it? That's why you don't put 5 contracts on. This is why I said I didn't want to do this. YOLO and stuff is fucked. But hey, it made for good content. We'll make it back. Don't worry about that. But yeah, we are obviously 34 minutes in. I think that'll do. We're done. £1,000. We'll go edit some videos and review some trees. We'll go over why this happened. Oh well, look. If anyone watches this stream back and does get to this point, obviously you know this isn't trading. Well, we just had a few issues today getting set up for the morning. I just wasn't really feeling it. you know. So I was YOLOing. I want to have some fun, you know. Stressful start. Just didn't. I had so many issues trying to get the stream up and running that I just did not care. But obviously, we're negative 1,000, which is not what you like to see. But it happens. It happens, especially when you're doing what I was doing, which is actually pretty much guaranteed to happen. And I seen it coming before it happened. As soon as I knew that that target zone was missed, I knew. Fuck, that's me gone. That was me gone. I do love that that happened though. Oh, fuck. Well, it's been fun trading anyway, you know. And you've been watching me just get all my shit set up. But that's fine. Yeah, so if you do like to watch me trade and just chat shit, then hit the like and subscribe button, notification bell. I'll be streaming pretty much every day. I have an account. Um, so we should, you know, be good for a little while. Especially if we blow this account, we'll just get a new one. But the Yules were fun. The Yules were fun. If you'd seen on my Twitter yesterday, we were actually taking actual trades, and we brought our account up 12.8k in one day. But obviously, this start to the morning would have had us, you know, I was up 900, and my thoughts were if I pass my account too quick, I may not be able to get the activation fee sorted. So I may not be able to finish some videos. So I don't mind losing because it means that I can stream this account to use for longer. I could have just stuck with 920 realistically. We would have been looking to pass tomorrow or the next day if we were doing this as fast as we can. But just because I wanted to stream today, I missed the trade I wanted to take at the start. That big old candle up would have been an easy one to pick out. While waiting for a return back to that imbalance. We did catch a trade on the way back down from it. Or was it down? I can't remember where our first trades were, but anyway, you know, it's been a good stream. I'll see you all tomorrow.